A new electrified, high-tech, internet approach from Hyundai for Japan. The worldwide success of Hyundai Motor Company extends from Bangalore to Baltimore, yet the company's logo has long been absent in Japan. After a disastrous stint in Japan, the South Korean carmaker quit the market in 2009. Hyundai, on the other hand, will try again, this time with a high-tech twist. Hyundai said on Tuesday that it would rejoin Japan's automotive market this spring with an emphasis on zero-emissions full electric and hydrogen fuel cell cars offered via an all-online sales network in spring. Younger Japanese consumers are increasingly receptive to South Korean imports because of the popularity of technology companies like Samsung, as well as an appreciation for trendy Korean cultural trends in certain corners, according to the carmaker. Hyundai is even redesigning its local subsidiary Hyundai Mobility Co, removing the dated motor from the name in order to capitalize on the new attitude. Ioniq 5 electric crossover and Nexo hydrogen fuel cell car will be at the forefront of Hyundai's most innovative products. Starting in May, Hyundai will begin accepting orders, and delivery will begin in July. After just 8 years in Japan, where customers are known to be fussy and devoted to native brands, Hyundai pulled out of the Japanese market in December 2009. Over the course of its first 8 years in Japan, Hyundai sold slightly over 15,000 passenger automobiles. Volkswagen Group, the largest importer at the time, sold around 60,000 vehicles yearly. Hyundai's exit from Japan comes a year after arch-rival Toyota announced its entry into the Korean market. Toyota and other Japanese automakers formerly had a stronghold in South Korea, but they've had to fight with European imports as well as Hyundai and Kia, the country's homegrown sons. Nissan, for example, announced its intention to leave South Korea in 2020.